Donald Trump has forced every single American to ask themselves one question. They should just think about this. Is the Great Society still alive? Or has he broken and eroded it so much so that it's no longer feasible to put it all back together? The cravenness of the snap shutdown was unrealistic and unbelievable. He actually went to the Supreme Court in order to get benefits revoked from people. So he basically took food off your table, not on your table. He took food off your table, if that makes sense. Donald Trump took food off your table. And it boils down to this: 80% of SNAP recipients are at the poverty line. 80%. That's unbelievable. Do we believe that people that are impoverished deserve to be fed? Or do we think they have starvation? We are the wealthiest nation in the history of all of mankind throughout the entire existence of human history. And we can't afford it? Okay. Try me next time. 90% of all SNAP benefit participants live in households with a child, an elderly person, or a disabled person. Out of the participants, 39% are children, 20% are elderly, and 10% are disabled. That's crazy. Like, this is a moral dilemma. This is making us ask serious questions of ourselves, I feel like. The reason why this is so near and dear to my heart is because my dad served in the military and we were on WIC for 3 years, and it's absolutely vile and disgusting to see what he's doing. And now they're having to go out and get loans. Navy Federal Credit Union has 350,000 new applications from military members. I mean, it's absurd.